Guys, I'm hearing something fucking weird. It's like a drun, drun, like drun, drun. And it echoes. It's coming from the factory south. Just listen. South of Greencastle. You might hear it. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Doing that, but way more louder. It'll echo through the whole town. I don't know what the fuck that is. This is new. There is a train. That factory over there, I know what that is. It's an area where trains are. So there's a train area down there. That might be sounds coming from it. I've never heard this before. Never. That was so fucking interesting. So damn scary at the same time. Let's see what happens again. Makes that sound that echoes. It's definitely a diesel train. Diesel train moving cargo. That is so damn interesting. So fucking weird. I don't know what the hell that is. It just was like, grum, grum. I could hear that. I was like, what the hell? With this playing.
Just for testing.
That loud. Like pretty much all the way up. I was like, what the hell? And I paused that. I was like, what the fuck? I just looked out. Right. Opened the window. And then I heard that vroom, vroom. You were probably hearing. I was like, fuck. And this is where it is. So, god damn it. I got his Lego semi truck actually working. Like a RC Lego semi truck. They say it's my damn remote is not working. I need. It has steering, which that last mode was, and movement. Forwards and backwards. Forwards, backwards. Do it again. Listen, this is gonna echo throughout the whole town. You can clearly hear it over here. It's coming from the south and I don't know. That is such a weird sound. Where the hell is that coming from? What the hell it is? Is that coming from the factory? So damn weird. What the fuck is that light in the sky? Okay. That is weird. The fuck is that? I just see lights. The fuck? Fuck. What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I'm so fucking scared. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I think I just saw a UFO. Holy shit. No, it's like something you probably saw it. And there's a couple of groups. There's like one or two people, groups of people that were walking by. And if you heard that, vroom, 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 and then I saw light. Look like a plane, but it's not. It's like so. If there was like a light, it would look like a yellow light here. Looks like a green light here. And then a red light there. But so it goes from the way the light colors goes from the brightest to the least. So yellow Superbite, red, green, um, half dim, and the red one was barely on. That is so damn weird. And it went right over my fucking house. I'm so fucking terrified right now. I don't know. I hope it's not right outside the window. Oh, thank God it did not come back. Oh, thank God. I was hoping it was not seeing me. Oh my God. Okay, guys. If you ever, that's like the 5th time I've seen it. Actually, 3rd or 4th time I've seen a UFO in person. Yeah. One to the north, one doing the same thing as this one did, and then this one, and then I think another one. It was so damn weird. Please, guys, do not think this is fake. This is fucking real, and if I had my camera on this thing working, I'll be fucking recording it. And I'll be like, what the fuck? And you guys would be seeing it. I just wish I had a phone camera. I could see in the dark. You guys would actually see it. But, of course, I don't have that working, so that. And bye, and I hope you are fucking scared right now. Well, I hope you're not, actually. But I'm fucking scared. Wait a minute. My heart's like doo 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 doo. Literally right now, it was like or more like it's like that right now. Like that's how my heart is right now. Just because of that fucking UFO. Don't ever come back, fucking UFO. Fuck. Hope you guys liked it. Well, and heard some weird fucking shit. Bye.